TrustedTech, we aim to please. We try to resolve our cases in-house as much as possible. Microsoft, they're looking for maintaining a customer satisfaction rate above 90%, which currently we're at 99.2%.
Thanks everybody for joining us for another episode of the Microsoft Playbook. Today we're talking about Microsoft support, and we're joined by Mark Claremont, our Director of Cloud Services here at TrustedTech. Mark, thanks for your time, man.
Thank you for having me.
All right, man, let's get into it. So, give me a broad level overview. What's going on with the support market right now?
A lot of changes happening, especially within the Microsoft ecosystem. Microsoft is really trying to leverage their CSP partners to provide a lot of the services and support to their clients. And we're really looking forward to capture and profit off of that change.
Why is that? Why are they pushing more of those support needs down to the partners?
Just really trying to leverage more resources than Microsoft has available internally and through the partner ecosystem. It acts as a force multiplier for Microsoft. Also really just hoping to improve the quality of service delivery under the guise of Microsoft Premier Support for Partners, making sure that they empower and enable their partners to get quicker responses to our clients and make sure that their problems are resolved in a timely fashion.
How does Microsoft actually measure partners on support delivery?
Sure, Microsoft measures its partners depending on how many cases are escalated to Microsoft Premier Support for Partners versus resolved in-house internally. They measure partners' performance based on the responsiveness of those partners, as well as the customer satisfaction.
Well, I know that recently, and a big reason why I'm talking to you today, is that there's a new Solution Partner Designation specifically for support, and TrustedTech is one of the first companies, I think, in the world to receive that designation. Talk to me a little bit about the process to get there, when it was launched, and what your team had to do to get that Solution Partner Designation.
So Microsoft launched the pilot back in late 2025. We qualified just based off of initial assessment from Microsoft, going over escalation rates, response times, customer satisfaction, and resolution rates in general. We qualified for the pilot. After we qualified for the pilot, we actually conducted an assessment with a Microsoft partner to evaluate our operational capabilities. We passed that assessment at the end of 2025, and we earned the Solution Designation, one of the first companies globally to earn that designation in early 2026.
So obviously, if TrustedTech got this Solution Partner Designation for support, our level must be pretty high. Give me an idea of what the promise is behind TrustedTech's reactive support, how quickly we deliver it, what is our promise to our customers?
Sure, yeah. Part of the assessment, as you kind of already alluded to, you really capture some of the key metrics as far as what defines a successful support operation. So we're looking at first response times at TrustedTech team. We're clocked in under 10 minutes, getting our customers a response as quickly as possible. We're looking at escalation rates. TrustedTech, we aim to please. We try to resolve our cases in-house as much as possible. Currently, we're looking at about a 15% escalation rate when it comes to escalating cases to Premier Support for Partners. And then also just making sure that we have a satisfied customer base. Microsoft looks to make sure their partners maintain a satisfactory environment for their customers. And they're looking for maintaining a customer support rate, customer satisfaction rate above 90%, which currently we're at 99.2%.
I know part of TrustedTech's model for certified support services, or as we call it, CSS, involves a proactive element as well as a reactive element. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Sure, yeah. Our service operation breaks down into reactive and proactive workloads. Reactive, you have something that was working and it's broken. We're here to help you fix it. Proactive, something you've never engaged on, something you don't have in place right now. We have a team of project engineers that will work with you to implement whatever the idea is that you're trying to implement. And then afterwards, we'll support you.
So Mark, I know that TrustedTech has been in the licensing space and the CSP space for quite a few years. What are the benefits of partnering with TrustedTech? What can TrustedTech offer that other companies cannot?
Sure. So outside of our very competitive pricing when it comes to licensing, we also offer full spectrum services and support. We will support your current environmental needs when it comes to Microsoft services and products. Like I mentioned earlier, we have a proactive engagement as well. If you're trying to build something from scratch and implement it in your organization, we're your partner to help you accomplish that. And we have a direct access pipeline to PSFP. If there's ever an issue that we can't handle in-house, know that we can always reach out to the experts at Microsoft, and we have a very strong relationship with Microsoft, which is why we qualified for that solution designation.
Okay, so say I'm a customer, I'm used to unified support. Maybe I've been pushed out of my EA, or maybe I just want to try a different option. How can I try out TrustedTech? How can I see, what your level is?
Yeah, give us a call, visit our website, TrustedTechTeam.com, get in touch with one of our account executives, and we'll get you set up with a conversation to discuss the finer details of our support and service offering.
Thanks for your time, Mark. It definitely sounds like there's a lot of benefits to be had from getting your licensing and support, both reactive and proactive, under one roof. And thank you for joining us on another episode of the Microsoft Playbook. We'll catch you on the next one.